adventure. It's good to be back, kids. This is Teacher Lynn from Kindergarten 2. Are you excited to learn more about nature around us? Today we are going to talk about land animals and water animals. Land animals are the animals that live in land. And water animals are animals that lives in water. Okay? So we have here cow. Everybody say cow. Very good. Shark. Shark. Elephant. Elephant. Squid. Squid. Tiger. Tiger. Fish. Fish. Okay, very good. So now, let's sort things out according to where it belongs. Either is it land animals or water animals. Okay, let's name it one by one. Let's start with land animals. The cow. Is it land animals or water animals? Land animals. So we have one. Next, shark. Is it land animals or water animals? Water animals. Shark live in water. How about elephant? Is it land animal or water animal? Land animal. So we have two. Next, squid. Is it land animal or water animal? Water animal. Next one, tiger. Is it land animal or water animal? Land animal. Very good. So we have three. Next. So we have three land animals. Next, water animals. I mean the fish. Is it land animal or water animal? It's a water animal. So we have three land animals. So all you need to do is write number 3 because according to the instruction, write the numbers of land and water animals in the table. So let's write number 3 because there are 3 land animals. Next. So this one, since this is a land animal, let's count how many water animals are there. Let's start with shark, squid, and fish. So there are 3 water animals. So, all in all, there are 6 animals, 3 for land animals and 3 for water animals. Okay, kids? Good job, kids. You did great. See you in the next video. Bye!